foodies, welcome to Jaanavi Vlogs. In today's video, check out a healthy recipe called banana Beda. The ingredients here serves 3 people. The banana variety used here is Puvan Palam and it tastes best for this recipe. In a large bowl, add in the sliced bananas and ensure they are not out for a while as that would lead to discoloration. Take 1 cup of fresh roasted peanut, grind them coarsely and add it to the bananas. Next goes in 1 cup of shredded coconut, that is half of a medium-sized coconut. Add 3 tablespoons of organic country sugar, alternatively you can use honey. Gently mix them well and our recipe is ready to serve. Eat mindfully to relish the taste and health benefits. This dish not just keeps you full but also aids to relieve constipation and detox your stomach. With such a simple dish that's high in nutrients, would you stop yourself from trying it? So do try and leave us your comment. See you soon on another video and would like to sign off saying loads of love and peace from us to you.